Hello everyone, this is Rosé from National Geographic.
In this video I will be in the Colca Canyon. The Colca Canyon is a canyon of the Colca River in southern Peru, located about 160 kilometers northwest of Arequipa. With a depth of about 1,000 till 2,000 meters, it is one of the deepest canyons in the world. Its length is about 70 kilometers. The Colca Valley is a colorful Indian valley with pre-Inca roots, inhabitants and towns founded in the Spanish colonial times, still inhabited by people of the Colca and the Cabana cultures. The local people maintain the ancestral traditions and continue to cultivate the pre-Inca steppes terraces. Because I couldn't see yesterday the waterfalls that I wanted to see, I will hike today to those waterfalls.
Day 2. Today I'm hiking with Rose.
Hello.
As long as I can keep up with her, but I left already a lot of stuff with me at the room, so I think it will be manageable.
I saw fig tree. You know fig. Oh, this is a fig tree. Hello everyone, this is Rosé from National Geographic. So, as we can see here, this is a fig tree. I was looking forward to that one. I feel like a commentator. So you can recognize them by the shape of the leaf.
Okay.
So it's like super, like, I don't know how you can say it.
They are strange looking, so
Yeah.
look at the strange leaf.
So it's very unique. So then you can spot them. And then you can see one up there. Oh my god. Okay, so the one that's pointing to the sun. That's it. Yeah. Opening it, yeah, so it's not as juicy as it can be. So it's not ripe yet. It's gonna taste a bit like leaves.
Okay.
Can taste it.
It's still good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can eat the skin as well if you want.
Yeah.
You don't have to. Very good.
That's nice when you walk with somebody else.
That way yesterday.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That was a long hike. All the time I was thinking, yeah, I'm almost at the bridge. Still not at the bridge. refreshing. So we now have our
Lunch.
yeah, lunch, but I wanted to say the lunch that we do deserve because we hiked quite far.
Bon appétit. Gave our banana peel to.
Oh.
Bye.